Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove extensions in Brave browser in 2026. First, open the Brave browser. Then click the menu icon in the top right corner and select Extensions. Next, click Manage Extensions to view all the extensions installed in your browser. Find the extension you want to remove. Once you've found it, click the Remove button. A confirmation message will appear asking if you want to remove the extension. Click Remove again to confirm. After a few seconds, the extension will be completely removed from Brave browser. If needed, you can restart the browser to make sure the changes are fully applied. That's it. This is how you can remove extensions in Brave browser in 2026. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Brave browser tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.